Amazon filed for a patent for 3D printers mounted within trucks, which could then print customers' purchases on the fly and deliver them instantly. A customer places an order for a Toyota. The order is received at Amazon Data Center, which sends 3D manufacturing instructions to the Amazon delivery truck. 3D printer installed in the truck prints out the Toyota. While the truck is on the way to customer's delivery address. This way customers get their orders delivered faster. Thanks for liking and sharing the video. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the big red button to receive updates on new videos published every week. If you are viewing this on a mobile device, please find the subscription link in the description below. Until next time, keep innovating and keep patenting.